Number 1, Maria went to the store with $5.72 in her pocket. She spent 56 cents on a piece of candy, and she spent $1.89 on a bag of popcorn. How much money does Maria have left? Number 2, at what point on the ruler is the dashed line? Number 3, write the following number in standard form: 28 10 millions, 4 1,000s, 13 tens, 7 tenths. Number 4, round the following number 3 different ways: to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100, to the nearest 1,000. Number 5, which shows 7,090,550 and 34 hundredths in expanded notation. Number 6, the model below is shaded to represent a decimal. How is this decimal written in standard form? Number 7, write the following number in standard form: 802 and 13 hundredths. Number 8, which number has an 8 with a value of 8 hundredths?